Welcome to our channel. If you want to set parental controls on Netflix to protect kids from inappropriate content, follow these step-by-step instructions to create a safe viewing environment. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to netflix.com. Log in with your account credentials to access your Netflix account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section and click on the drop-down arrow next to the profile you want to restrict. Step 4. Click on Viewing Restrictions to set a maturity rating limit for the profile. You may be asked to enter your Netflix password. Step 5. Choose the appropriate maturity level from the options: Little Kids, G, Older Kids, PG, Teens, PG-13, or Adults, R and above. Step 6. Set a PIN code that must be entered to watch content above the selected maturity level. This prevents children from accessing restricted content. Step 7. Click Save to apply the parental control settings. Netflix will immediately enforce the restrictions on this profile. Step 8. Consider creating a separate kids profile with automatic restrictions, which only shows age-appropriate content without requiring manual settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.